So this is the Mexican burrito bowl. We are going to learn today the recipe of this by my husband Satish Jampale, who is really great in this. So he'll be showing us the recipe today. So let's go and see the ingredients and the recipe. Let's see the ingredients for the salsa. So finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped onions, some cilantro or coriander leaves, little lime juice, salt for the taste. So everything you have to little crush and keep it ready. And we are going to keep it in the fridge so that it's little cool. So here goes my salsa, which is going to get ready. Now this is the frozen corn, which we have microwaved it with little water and salt. So this is ready to go for the Mexican bowl. The topping for the Mexican bowl. So here it goes. In the oil we have chopped onions, long slices of onions, and just fried it little, and then capsicum or the green bell pepper. The chopped ones, the long thin chopped ones, which we have fried, and the masalas were just like little salt, red chili powder, cilantro powder and jeera powder, which are optional, and little hing to enhance the taste. So once it is fried, just please remove it and let it cool. So this will go as a topping on our Mexican bowl. Chopped iceberg lettuce, which will go as a topping on top of your Mexican rice ball. And this is the sour cream which I use, and the sour cream with little water, just beat it little so that this is ready. And please keep this in the fridge so that it doesn't get spoiled, and as and when you are doing your bowl, you can remove this and then serve it. I've cooked the rice, the regular rice in my Instapot. With little oil, salt and your regular measurement of your water and your rice. After that, I have just mixed it with the cilantro oil. So what I've done is that in little pan, I've just taken some oil. I have roasted some finely chopped green chilies and finely chopped cilantro. You just can give a boil or a stir in it, and then pour this on the rice and mix it. After the rice is cooked, you can mix it and keep ready. So this will go as a base. That our rice is put in the bowl, and then we are putting some boiled black beans. So let's see what goes next into this. As I told you, this recipe is a favorite for us. Why? Because when we were in US, we were going regularly to Chipotle, but due to the COVID period, we had to stop. And that's how, when my son badly wanted to eat this, my husband gave a try, and believe me, it became a hit to all of us, and we have shared this recipe with many. May not be authentic, but it is almost like authentic taste, because the flavors, everything is almost similar. Do try it and let me know in the comments box. Don't have a bowl, you can even do the plating in a plate. That will also give a good look. So the next step is to put the capsicum, the fried capsicum, both on the bowl and in the plate. Now put some corn, the boiled corn. The next we are putting the salsa, both on the bowl and the plate. The next we are putting the sour cream. So we are putting some lettuce, the chopped lettuce. So just putting some mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella cheese, both on the ball and the plate. To go to eat. So everything is done, and let's talk to the chef also today. Hi Satish.
Yeah, hi, this is the burrito bowl prepared for one of our close friends in the vicinity. Hope they like it. Thank you.
So today we are going to try this once again, and please do try and let me know. Like, share and subscribe our channel. This is awesome. I hope you guys will like and do try it, and let me know in the comment section. So take care. Bye bye. Tata.